So we have three stages, pre-cool, cool, and ventilate. So essentially you just have to press the first button for this machine to automatically activate until the end. Currently on the top here we have current temperature. So this shows the temperature of the Cryosauna. In the next stage, I'm going to show you when we actually have the nitrogen in the machine. The temperature will drop down to below 160 degrees. And this is the oxygen level. This ensures the safety of the user. So if this oxygen drops too low, the machine will shut off automatically. And this one is the operation time, where it shows how much time the machine has been operating. And this one controls the light of the machine. So this one is the LED light. So if I press the light button, it will turn off and on. Pressure nitrogen door. And here we have the valve that controls the flow of the nitrogen. Usually we open to about 1/4 of a turn to open, and we let the machine control the temperature and the flow of the nitrogen. It's on already. Nitrogen is supplying from the tank to the hose of the machine. So here on the nitrogen connection side for the machine, from the hose, the nitrogen door to the hose, we have a G 3/8 of a connection. This is a pretty standard connection for all suppliers. So you can contact your local nitrogen supplier and they will let you know what's the size that they can do for you. This 2-button controls the lift, so it controls the height for the users. And here's a setting button. It allows you to choose different languages as well as different settings for the machine. And pressing the main button will lead back to the main screen here. Now we're gonna enter the pre-cooling stage. How this machine works is that it's automatically from start to finish. When we press the pre-cool stage, the nitrogen will start flowing into the Cryosauna. After it reaches the set temperature, which is negative 160 degrees, or the operation time, which is 2 minutes for the pre-cooling stage, it will flash a light to inform the user or the operator to enter the Cryosauna. Once the door opens and closes, it will automatically enter into the cooling stage, which will last about 3 minutes. And after that ends, a light will flash and the machine will enter the ventilation stage to ventilate all the nitrogen out. So that will be the end of one procedure. So now I'm gonna show you how to operate this machine by pressing the pre-cooling stage. So a fan will turn on and nitrogen will start coming in. Let me turn on the light here. And either the pre-cooling stage, like I said before, will either end once this time ends, which is about 2 minutes, or it reaches a temperature, whichever comes first. Once it reaches negative 160 degrees or reaches 2 minutes mark, the machine will enter into the cooling stage. So this is the inside of the Cryosauna. As you can see, there's liquid or gas nitrogen coming in a vortex kind of formation. Because we are low on temperature nitrogen right now, so we're gonna enter the cooling stage. So as long as the person opens the door and closes the door, it enters into the cooling stage by itself. So it's all automatic. It enters from pre-cool to cooling stage by itself. So this is the ventilation stage. When it enters the ventilation stage, it will start to fan out all the nitrogen in the machine. This is the emergency button. So when something happens, you can just press this button and it will turn off. And twisting this again will turn on the machine.